Want to make your Mac look exactly how you want? Let's change your macOS Tahoe appearance and tint mode in just a few clicks. First, click the system settings from the dock. You can also hit Command plus space, type system settings, and press enter. Once you're in, look for the appearance option in the sidebar. It's usually near the top. Click it to open the appearance settings. Now you're in appearance settings. You'll see three options: auto, light, and dark. Auto switches between light and dark based on the time of day, while light gives that glassy, translucent look. Dark makes them go black. Pick one by clicking it. Below that, you'll see color for accents like buttons and text highlight color for selected text. Click either to choose a preset color or hit. Avoid picking colors too close to your background. It can mess with readability. Scroll down to the icon and widget style section. You've got 4 choices: default, dark, clear, and tinted. Click tinted to unlock color customization for icons, widgets, and folders. Once selected, the folder color setting changes to icon, widget, and folder color. Click it, pick a preset like red or purple, or choose other for a custom tint using the color picker. You can set it to light, dark, or auto for day-night switching. Just don't overdo it. Too many tints can look chaotic. That's about it, everyone. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Mac tips, and see you on the next one.